All right, it's summertime. Everybody's making money hand over fist doing this. Yeah, baby. A lot of shops look forward to the summer because the car might shake, they won't fix it. The wheels could be making all kinds of noise, they'll let it go. But boy, let that air conditioner fail, and man, whatever it takes, get it going. And a lot of shops make good money. But I want to talk about, as a person that's been in the industry for a few moons, I can honestly say that a good percentage of the guys doing these kind of repairs are coming up short, or they're not fully competent in what they're doing. And what I mean by competent is that they don't do everything because it's flat rate. Get it in, get it out. You know what I mean? Airflow of the condenser, evaporator core testing, physically verifying there's no blockage there, taking the time to learn what's happening when things are acting weird. Getting to the root cause of the problem is sometimes something people don't do, because guess what? They want to get it in, get it out, get paid, and send them down the road. If it makes it till October, you know what? We got them coming back again in the spring, and that's not really the right way to do it, is it? Because when a customer, and I've heard this at the counter. When I bought my car, my AC lasted 5 years, 6 years, 8 years with no maintenance. Yes, things wear out. Yes, things give way. Yes, oil rings dry up. But the thing is when someone works on an air conditioning system and it only lasts 3 months, 3 weeks, 3 hours, that's a red flag for they didn't do a good diagnosis. And this right here is a very touchy subject, because a lot of shops, the customers hate spending a lot of money on an AC repair, and they don't even make it the end of the summer, and they spend $800, $1,200, $2,600, $3,600 to have the AC repaired, and it's already not working again. And it's very frustrating for the consumer. So you, as a technician, it's your responsibility to, one, have automotive excellence. In other words, know what you're doing, know the product, and if you don't, learn. And give the customer every bit of quality service that they deserve. This is kind of a little bit of a rant, but like I said, I've been doing this for a few moons, and I confidently feel that there's more guys clueless on proper diagnosis than there is guys that know every in and out of an AC system. And it's not very hard once you commit yourself to doing it. You might spend a few weeks or months bumping your head around trying to get to things, and people might be saying, oh, you're wasting your time. Just, if it holds Freon and it's cool, cut it loose. Well, what happens when it comes back next week and that customer is hot? Yeah, you don't want to go down that road. Guys, do everything you can to know the system in and out, and if you can, do that. Yes, you got to pre-register, you got to pay to take the test. And if you fail the test, you got to pay to take it again. It's a hassle. Some shops don't really reward you for having that patch. But it's not about the shop. It's about you. Thanks for watching.